Hi guys, we're playing the Resident Evil 4 demo, and for your chance to win a Fuggler, let me know in the comments what's your favorite horror game to play. 5 Fugglers to give away. Whoop whoop!
About this, Tanya's absolutely amazing. Tanya is a very, very talented ventriloquist. Please make sure you go fam Tanya. Give her some love and support, everybody. Here she is, everybody. Here's Princess Tanya.
Princess Tanya's a fucking man!
If you're a road man, you gotta be road in everything you do. Shut up, blood!
I can tell she loves to go. She's all out of control. She can't design her clothes, jewels, hair. She's throwing money everywhere. My head is spinning. Oh, 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 oh. She's a princess. She's a princess. Modern day princess.
Hi guys, and welcome to another Resident Evil 4 video. We have the cheat codes for Resident Evil 4. We have the cheat codes. There's the cheat codes. Let's go. So guys, this is what you need to do. You need to go on where it says main story. Hold RB, hold the bumper stickers and go up, right, something, something, X, something. And then when you press new game, that happens. Oh yeah, mad chainsaw difficulty every single time with the cheat code, which is
hold RB, LB, up, left, down, right, X, Y, B, A, main story, new game.
do it again, press B.
So you're holding RB, LB, right bumper, left bumper, up on D-pad, left, down, right, X, Y, B, A, and new game.
And what you get? Booyah! Every single time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Hi guys, this is the new chainsaw level. Let's go.
September 30th.
This is the new hard level, guys, where instead of getting one of the people at the stairs, you're going to get 3.
How far could he have gone?
Let me just skip it. So this is the first change on the hard level. Instead of getting one of these little stickers, you're going to get 3 as 2. Yeah, that's the run, mate. That's the run. Why did you only get 2 of them?
I got one of them.
No, I mean, why did you only get 2 people?
I got 3.
I only saw 2. You can actually sneak behind him and kill him. Get the leaf and use it. Get into that door. Exit the cutscene. We're at the main gates. Let's go. Right, best way to do this is to sneak around to the well, collect the machine gun.
You have to activate the woman.
You don't have to activate shit. You can just sneak straight around there. Sneak around to the well.
Yeah, but the woman's there.
You can actually sneak while she's walking. Well, wait for her to pass then and go.
Yeah, because it sees if she passes.
Well, whatever. I've snuck around while she's still walking towards me and I've snuck on her. There she goes. Go, 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 go.
No, you don't run unless you get caught.
I'll go a bit quicker than that, mate. Sneak to the well.
And yes, no.
Sneak to the well. Get that red plant. Why are you sneaking there? Just get the red plant and get in. Collect everything in there.
Shall I look around?
No, I've already done it. Just collect your stuff and hurry up. Try not to do a long video. Put all the stuff in there. Right, now collect the green herb at the top of the ladder.
And then just run straight for the house.
Straight to the house, mate. And you're golden. Go. Get straight in the house. Collect the first aid spray at the bottom. Hurry up, 'cause they run fast. They run fast. They run very fast. Collect the first aid spray and the bullets. Quick, quick, quick. Because they're very fast.
Save the points.
Yeah, well, get the shotgun and the grenade. Hurry up. Get the grenade, hurry up. Get through the window. Leave that. Don't. Oh, now you've blown it. You've blown it. You never listen, man. Knock the stairs down at the back. Oh, you're staying there? Wait for chainsaws. Oh my god. Yeah. You're out. See ya. Hurry in. Run. Run. Don't go in there, mate. Do not go. Oh my god. Why don't you listen when I tell you what to do? Who gives a shit about a grenade?
It does damage.
No, I don't. Nah, you've blown it. There's Johnny. Go set the cow on fire. There we grenade, grenade. Oh my god. Just drops it on him. What a bot.
Have you accessed it?
Heal. Use your first aid. Hurry up, mate. I'm trying to do a short video. Use a grenade again. Oh my god. Do you know how to use the grenade, mate?
I'm sure I did.
No, you just threw it next to yourself. You're dead if you're going down there, mate. Yeah, you're dead.
Oh, the gun. The
Take
gun.
a knife.
I got my gun. I got my knife.
What gun?
I got my knife.
What's that gonna do?
Damage him.
You're dead, mate.
I missed.
Yeah. Bye. Have a good time. That's the hard level, guys. That's the hard level. Hi guys, we're playing the Resident Evil 4 demo, and for your chance to win a Fuggler, let me know in the comments what's your favorite horror game to play. 5 Fugglers to give away. Woo woo!
Utility later. Oh, she's a princess, modern day princess.